Guys, today is a very special day because someone arrived. I know it's creepy I said someone, but you will just get it in a moment. I swear there is nobody in that box, but just something really special. Let's check that.
Later.
I made it! Well, that was a heck of an unboxing. Now you can understand why I was saying somebody arrived, because for me this is like a very special somebody. You will see. Let's see if I can take this out and show you. So guys, this is the twin sister of my guitar. The story is, back when I ordered my guitar, because of the peculiarity of this request, the size was a lot different, many things were like a little bit more customized, and it changed a lot for him, the whole acoustic of the instrument and the whole production process. And so he decided to make 2 guitars for me. And now I want to send my guitar back to him for, you know, checking up, fixing maybe a little bit the lack, the varnish, and checking the frets, just, you know, to set up the guitar to get ready for maybe a few concerts and stuff. And so he sent me the other guitar so that I can practice. I mean, who gets that? I feel like that's premium stuff in here. I feel like, I don't know, like I have no words. He's super kind. So he sent me the other guitar, and there are 2 things that I'm very curious about. My guitar is a guitar that has the same exact time like the one that he sent. Like, they were made at the same time, they were finished at the same time, but mine has been played a lot, and this one has been played maybe just a bunch of hours, really. So first, is the sound going to be a heck of a lot different? I expect it will be, because the spruce matures a lot as you play it, but I want to make a sound test. Second, my guitar got tan, like literally, because of the exposure to things, I suppose. It got like a lot browner, and I remember when I first opened them, they were like such a pale white, let's say, of the wood. So I'm interested to see if, without playing it, this one also has aged, the wood has aged the same way, given that probably has, well, not probably not, it has been on the guitar case like for much more time than mine. So yeah, I tried the other guitar back in the day, and they were very, very similar. They all are very playable, very comfortable guitars. Of course, the size is exactly the same. It changes a lot in terms of resonances and harmonics, and how much power or brightness or darkness, the trebles against the basses, you know, the kind of balance of the guitar. That's really the biggest change between these 2 guitars, and that's why I chose my guitar versus the other one. But I'm really, really curious to try it, the other one again, and I don't know, like, it's so cool. So let's go and open it. So here we have both of them. Mine, the case that you have seen many times, and this is the one that he sent me. Mine, let's first open. This is my baby, the one that you are used to see. And yeah, I guess it might have a few scratches, not much. I really try to keep it very, very, very good, but you know, playing, there's always something happening. Now the reveal, I opened this because it goes a little bit hard, but now the reveal. Let's see. I'm so curious. It already smells so nice. Oh my god, I'm just having flashback of the day I met you. Oh my god, look at that, look at this shine. Jesus, this is beautiful. But look at the difference. Let me see. Look at the difference. The, let's say, brand new unplayed. Mine. Yeah, you can see it's darker. So like reddish, more reddish or something. Let's see if I can put them both in frame or something. Wow. Oh my god. Welcome back home, baby. So write in the comments down below what you thought about the sound differences of each guitar. The guitar that I usually play, number 1, and guitar, let's say, that I receive now, number 2. Write in the comments. Let's see, before I even say anything, what is your impression, let's say clean impression of the sound that you just heard. Of course, with the things that microphone interferes in the sound, your speakers, the whole processing of the video itself, but somehow you will hear, I hope actually, I'm curious also myself to listen back to this video, I hope you will hear some differences between both instruments, and I think the differences might be pretty big. I don't know, just write me in the comments below what you think those differences are and which one you prefer. As always, thank you for watching, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.